make this video as quick as possible because it's not like you can see a lot. But anyways, we're gonna come down here, right around the back of the crank. This is the power steering pump belt. This right here is the pulley for the power steering pump, and you can tell this belt has had it. Look at that, it's all tore up. It's original from 2011. The exterior belt was just the same. Now, these belts should not be reused at all. So if you ever take these off, just cut it off and buy a new one. They're called a stretch belt, but don't let that name fool you because they don't stretch. That's just what they're referred to as. It's a poly something stretch belt. I'll leave a link in the description. So essentially what you really do is just cut it off. That's it, just cut it off, and then we put the new one on. But since a lot of you guys are cheap and are gonna, which is not a bad thing, just, you know, when you come to stuff like this, it's scary. You don't want to really, like I said, reuse those. So you're gonna come over here with an 18 millimeter. We're gonna rotate the crank while pulling towards us over here by this pulley. Now, you're supposed to remove the wheel well, but I just don't feel like taking out the entire wheel well. So this is going to be pretty difficult to do. So, oh, I just had it. And what I'm trying to show you is get the screwdriver be up here behind it. Now as you rotate the crank, pull the belt off. And there's that belt off right there. Like I said, here's what I'm dealing with right now, is because I didn't take the wheel well off, which I'm gonna have to anyways. I got to do the other belt, but it's knocking the, see, it's snapping that out of the way, which is really easy to do. Just a couple Phillips head screws over here, bunch of push pins all the way around, and a couple more over here, and this comes off. I try and get you guys the best camera angle there is. Now that you can see them lock on it here, and then get it lined up the bottom and side of this pulley. Really, if you had an extra person, that'd be just absolutely helpful.